They are fully busy, everybody. A lot of food production is going on here. Hey, hello, everybody. Welcome to our testimonial series. In this series, what we do is to go back to previous installations and find out how they are doing. Now, our relationship with our clients does not just end when the job has done, we've been paid, and we move on. No, we need to find out how the system is doing. We need to once in a while call them up, check up on them to find out how they are faring with the system. How exactly are they doing? Is the system functioning maximally? We just need to know if they're having any form of challenges, and that's why we're back here again, because this particular installation was done 3 months ago. So we need to find out how they're doing. So we are in Abijo GRA, somewhere in Aja, and that's where the testimonial series for today is taking place, and it's going to be right at this house, everybody. Don't forget, my name is Ikenna from Smiling Sun. Everything solar installation, everything inverter installation, everything going green. So what we have here is 50 solar panels on the roof. We have 26 solar panels on this roof, and then we have additional 24 solar panels at the backyard. Okay, so we have 2 batteries, which is 16 kilowatt hour lithium battery by Dayer right here, and we also have 16 kilowatt hybrid inverter installed. So in here we have 50 solar panels installed. So let's go in and find out how these people are doing. Like I told you guys, they require a lot of energy for them to do their food processing, because what they do here is food processing and exporting. Okay, so the food here that is being processed is exported out of the country. Countries like UK, US, Germany, anywhere you are, these guys are the right people to talk to, all right? So this is the system that we have here, okay? So we have a 16 kilowatt hybrid inverter here installed, which is an IP65 rated inverter. And then we also have 2 batteries, each of them 16 kilowatt hour lithium battery. In total, you have 32 kilowatt hour worth of energy storage down here. Then on the roof, like I said, we have 26 solar panels. And behind the roof where you have the carport, we have another 24 solar panels. All right, so what we essentially did was to focus on energy generation, because right here, their energy generation is a lot because of what they do. So most of the machines that they use around here requires a lot of energy, mostly in very big kilowatts. So what we essentially did was to focus on energy generation, since they only work during the daytime. So they start their production in the morning around 8 o'clock and they get to shut down by 5 p.m. Okay, so what we needed to do at this point is de-emphasize much on energy storage, which is having the batteries, and put up a lot of solar panels on the roof so that as they're using this energy, it's being supplied to them real time from the roof. So that's essentially what we did, and that's why we came up with that big number, 50 solar panels. So no matter what happens during the day, they're never out of power supply, because it's a huge generation from the PVs that caters for all their needs during the afternoon, right? So they shut down by 5 p.m. So what they need is less of energy storage and more of energy generation. So that's what we did, and it's working well ever since. So let's see what the energy generation is, and then we go right inside or talk to the owners of this property to see how they have fared so far with this installation. Let's check it out. So now you've seen the energy generation. Let's go right inside and see the mama. They are fully busy, everybody. A lot of food production is going on here. This is Mama. Mama has turned out to be a client to a friend. She is my best friend right now. She is so kind. She's one of the sweetest ladies I've ever seen. Her heart is like the heart of an angel. And right here is her daughter too. What's your name, Mom? Mma. So Mma is here. Mommy is here too. So we're going to find out from them right now what the experience has been after the solar installation was done. Okay, to find out how they're doing. Is there any challenges? Is there any help that they need? Do they think the solar installation was properly done? All this information just right now. Beautiful stuff. You guys can see everything packaged right here. So if you're in the diaspora, man, the favorite foods are the people to talk to. I've seen their quality control and it is incredible. You know, when one has integrity and she's very transparent, you can also tell that that reflects in the quality control that goes into their production. This particular one is moi moi powder, right?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So once you have this dissolved, you can make your moi moi.
Yeah, it's already mixed with prawns and everything. You just add water and oil, crayfish, everything is there. Just water and oil. You are good to go for your moi moi.
You're good to go. All right, mommy. So we are back here to check on your system to know how your system is doing. Okay. Usually what we do is we try to keep up that relationship with our clients. We don't just install and then walk away. We need to keep tabs with you, call you every now and then to know what the challenges that you're facing with the system, if the system is functioning well. So how has it been so far?
If I have to grade the system from 1/10, that is where the 10 is the best.
Yeah.
I will give 10 plus 100.
10 plus 100, everybody!
To give 110.
Yeah!
It's the best I've ever seen. The other one they put for us in our park house is nothing to write home about. But this one gives me joy. We have lights, we work, we do everything we need to do. Our production is going, no problem with it. Our light doesn't go off, but there's something very striking about Smiling Sun, the after service.
Wow.
Relationship. They will check on you. They will make sure anytime you call them, even if it's midnight, they will talk to you. It's wonderful. And with this one, Favorite Foods is saying, we appreciate you with this.
Oh my God! Yeah, we got all you, everybody! Thank you.
To show our appreciation, and then
thank you.
I'm not going to close my mouth. I will speak and I will tell the world what I've tested. Because when you get something good, you tell it to the world. Announce it to the world.
Thank you so
I'm
much,
very
Mama.
proud of Smiling Sun.
Thank you so
much,
much,
Keep it
Mama.
up and don't change.
Thank you. Let's see what's going on in the kitchen. Let's see the production in the kitchen, because I can hear some noise from the kitchen. Yeah, man, the kitchen is busy. Woo! This is the one that has the most of the voltage, that takes most of the current. So all the production, everything is in full glare. Here is the dehydrator where you get to dehydrate everything. So the production is going on well. So everything seems okay with the power situation. So these are their extractors that you have here. You have one over here, and then you have another one there. So that's it.
Could have used that opportunity to say where my shop is.
All right, so we've seen it.
If you are living in Germany, you are in diaspora, in Germany, you are in North Rhine-Westphalia, come to Favorite Foods in Attendorfer Straße, 418 Essen. We'll give you the contact, how you meet him and everything. We'll recommend and we will sign guarantee and surety because we have tested them and I will prove them. You come to Favorite Foods, Attendorfer Straße, 418 in Essen. We will give you all the contacts of Smiling Sun, how you get in. We will guarantee you. Thumbs up.
Mama is advertising for us, so I need to run before she changes her mind about this oil, man. I'm out of here. Thank you so much, Mama.
Okay.
Bye-bye, everybody. Have
Bye.
fun. If you have any problem, please don't hesitate. Our phones are always open, 247 to attend to you. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Thank you.
All right, everybody.
Okay, bye. Bye.